Hi all, I welcome you to this channel, and if you are the first time here, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button in order to stay updated about the most trending technologies. In this video we are discussing about data science and machine learning. So machine learning, what is machine learning? So in simple terms, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence (AI) which provides machines the ability to learn automatically and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed to do so. So in this sense, it is the practice of getting machines to solve problems by gaining the ability to think. So how machine learning works? So it enables the computers or the machines to make data-driven decisions rather than being explicitly programmed for carrying out a certain task. And these programs or algorithms are designed in such a way that they learn and improve over time when exposed to new data. But wait, can a machine think or make decisions? Well, if you feed the machine a good amount of data, it will learn how to interpret, process, and analyze this data by using machine learning algorithms. And a machine can learn to solve a problem by following the three approaches like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So supervised learning is a technique in which we teach or train the machine using the data that is well labeled. So to understand supervised learning, let us consider an analogy. So as kids, we all needed guidance to solve maths problems. So our teachers helped us understand what addition is and how it is done. Similarly, you can think of supervised learning as a type of machine learning that involves a guide. So the labeled data set is the teacher that will train you to understand the patterns in the data, and here the labeled data set is the training data set. Then types of supervised learning are regression and classification, and in regression we have linear regression and logistic regression, and in classification we have support vector machine and decision tree, random forest, etc. So unsupervised learning. So unsupervised learning involves training by using unlabeled data and allowing the model to act on that information without guidance. So the model learns through observation and finds structures in the data, and once the model is given a data set, it automatically detects patterns and relationships in the data set by creating clusters in it. So what it cannot do is add labels to the cluster, like it cannot say this is a group of apples or mangoes, but it will separate all the apples from mangoes. And suppose we presented images of apples, bananas, and mangoes to the model. So what it does, based on some patterns and relationships, it creates clusters and divides the data set into those clusters. And now if a new data is fed to the model, it adds it to one of the created clusters. Then types of unsupervised learning are clustering and association. In clustering we have hierarchical clustering, k-means clustering, and KNN clustering. And in association we have a priori algorithm and FP growth algorithm. Then reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning is a part of machine learning where an agent is put in an environment, and it learns to behave in this environment by performing certain actions and observing the rewards which it gets from those actions. And in other terms, it is the ability of an agent to interact with the environment and find out what is the best outcome. And it follows the concept of hit and trial method, and the agent is rewarded or penalized with a point for a correct or a wrong answer. On the basis of the positive reward points gained, the model trains itself, and again once trained, it gets ready to predict the new data presented to it. So this type of machine learning is comparatively different. types of reinforcement learning like positive and negative. Then languages to work with the data science. So a programming language is an arrangement of a set of instructions written in a way to generate various kinds of output, and these are used in computer programs that help in implementing various algorithms and have a wide range of applications. So talking about data science, we have several programming languages that provide a comprehensive set of libraries for performing various data science functions. And a data scientist must have a command over at least one language in order to optimize the process. So some of the major languages used for data science are Python, JavaScript, R programming, SQL, Scala and Julia. And among all these, R is considered to be the best programming language for any statistician, as it possesses an extensive catalog of statistical and graphical methods. Python, on the other hand, can do pretty much the same work as R, but it is preferred by data scientists or data analysts because of its simplicity and high performance. And R is a powerful scripting language and highly flexible with a vibrant community and resource bank, whereas Python is widely object-oriented language that is easy to learn and debug. So this was a brief discussion on data science. And if you are the first time here, make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button in order to stay updated about the most trending technologies. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.